Hey everyone, welcome back to Alice's Adventures. I've been learning about volcanoes lately, so today we are going to be doing a volcano science experiment. And I'm so excited because I love volcanoes.
Welcome to Alice's Adventures.
For this video, you're going to need vinegar, baking soda, red food coloring, a soda bottle, and play sand. So we went to the store and we found this. And my mom is just like, this looks like a volcano. And it actually does.
Yep, it's a planter pot. So we just turned it upside down, and Alice's dad drilled a nice hole here for our bottle that we're going to be using.
We have a giant bottle.
We got a giant bottle to go inside of this, but first, what are you gonna do?
We need to paint it.
You're gonna paint it to look like a volcano.
Yeah, because I love paint.
So we've got some paints here, and she's got some paint, and she's ready to go.
Okay, I'm gonna start by doing little details.
All right, Alice, have fun.
And if you'd like some toy dinosaurs. Rah.
Looking good, Alice.
Thanks.
What are you doing?
Just making it look rocky.
Making it look rocky.
Did you know there's different types of volcanoes and different types of eruptions? Did you know under the Earth's surface is a liquid called magma? And when it reaches to the top of the volcano, it becomes lava. So today we're gonna see that reaction through this experiment, which is gonna be so exciting. I'm almost done painting, which is gonna be so exciting because then we're gonna move on to the sand. Okay, I'm done painting, so now it's time to add the sand.
We have this container here, and we're going to build our
little
area around it. Let's pour some sand down first.
We're just filling this container out with sand. There we go. Push it a little to the side so all of it can be even. Now let's get some more. Spread it out again. When magma rises below the Earth's crust, then it mixes with water and gases. Then, depending on where the built-up pressure is trying to release, it will leak or explode through the crust in one of these three different ways. Volcanoes from melted crust, underwater volcanoes, or hotspot volcanoes. Now we're going to put our pop bottle in our volcano. There we go. And now let's move it into our little area. There we go. Now I wanted to set up some dinosaurs around it, so let's do that.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, let's put that guy right there, this palm tree right
We're going
here.
back to prehistoric times here.
Put this right here so it can give him some shade. And this one.
Looks like she's got some little trees that she's setting up too.
Over here. And that makes no shade. And I'm gonna do the pterodactyl kind of right here. No, right here. I'm gonna put a boulder right here. And some dinosaurs over here. There's nobody. And this guy over here.
Triceratops.
guys are gonna be, these Triceratops are gonna be best friends. That one's the dad and that one's the mom. And this guy I'm gonna put over here behind the carnivore. And, ooh!
Behind the raptor.
Yeah. And this is gonna be the raptor's baby. And this one too. She's two babies.
Stegosaurus.
And oh, it's perfect! This guy has a teammate too, and a baby for the Triceratops. There's your baby. And let's add this guy over here. And some rocks and boulders. I'm gonna add a boulder right here. A rock right there. A boulder right there. That's not a boulder, that is. And a rock right there. All done. I think it's gonna be awesome.
I think we're ready now.
Yeah, the pterodactyls go in the mountains, so
You're gonna keep the pterodactyl right there?
Yeah,
Oh
and it's
my.
gonna explode, and he's gonna.
Oh, poor pterodactyl.
For everyone, they're all gonna get extinct. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, guys, are you ready to make this volcano erupt? I love this. The pterodactyl's like, hi, I'm gonna go extinct. First, we're gonna put a funnel into our bottle. And then we're going to add 2 cups of baking soda.
All right. And pour it into the bottle.
Come on, pour it in.
Ooh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so much fun.
Okay, now we're gonna add it.
One more?
Okay, now the next one.
Is it going all the way down?
Yeah, I just need to shake it a little. Going baking soda. Hey, the baking soda's going into a soda can.
Yeah, soda. 2 different types.
Okay. Now we're gonna add 4 cups of vinegar and we're gonna add some red food coloring. Yeah. Okay, 4 cups. This is very heavy vinegar.
So go all the way up to the 4.
Now for the red food coloring. Oh boy, this one doesn't have a drop.
Straight into the vinegar. Woo! Go ahead and mix it, Alice.
Okay, that's good, definitely. We have a lot of vinegar. Oh, it looks like lava.
Lava. Your dinosaurs are ready. Are you guys ready? They don't know what's about to happen.
Report! This is the news. There's an active volcano and it's going to erupt in 3, 2, 1. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can hear it. Oh, it's going everywhere. It's exploding. Look out, you guys.
Pterodactyl!
Oh, the pterodactyl's not even getting hit. I thought he would get hit. It's exploding.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
Oh.
That was the best one yet. This was
going.
the best one yet. This was the best one yet.
Look at that, you guys.
And we still have more vinegar.
It's active.
It's active! This is the news. This is crazy. This is the news. It's so crazy. All of the dinosaurs are gonna get oofed.
Oh no.
Oh, that's actually so satisfying.
Oh my goodness!
We added more baking soda and it did that.
We had a full eruption.
I Okay, I'm gonna add more.
Wait, let's do it again, Alice.
More. Guys, look what we discovered when we add a little more baking soda. This is what happens.
Add quite a bit.
Yeah, a lot. Oh, no! Alice! It exploded and it shot up!
There's an active volcano erupting! Oh, Alice.
Why is that? Oh, that's
Do it again, Alice. Do it again.
Let's do it again!
Active volcano erupting!
Okay, more!
Oh, look at what it's doing to the paint. It's making it ooze.
And it looks like real rock.
Yeah, it looks like real lava rock. Let's try more lava, guys. Let's try more lava. We're gonna keep going until we can't go any longer.
So fun. Okay. I'm gonna add some lava.
Some lava. Now we're gonna try more baking soda. Let's see if it keeps going or if that was the last straw. Alice's face. Whoa!
Okay, that was.
It worked! It worked again, you guys! Did you see that eruption?
But we have to try again because he's not pushing.
Yeah, he's not pushing off.
The pterodactyl's still standing.
How is he alive?
Oh, all the animals down here. Ah! They're melting. The triceratops are still standing.
Dun dun dun.
All right, let's do it again. Let's see if it works.
Okay, all the dinosaurs. Oh, that one fell over and he's sinking.
Oh, he's sinking.
Can I see?
Yeah.
More lava.
I hear it. I'm scared. It always does that. Whoa, that's so satisfying.
Man, this volcano has erupted a lot.
Yeah, let's do more. I think it could do more. Well, guys, I think this is the coolest science experiment I've ever done.
Yeah, that was pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
Seeing that reaction. So when we poured in the vinegar after the baking soda, we decided to add some baking soda just to see what would happen after that. And that's when it really shot up. So if you guys want to try that out, that's what we did. And then we just kept pouring back and forth some vinegar and baking soda to make those big explosions.
This dude literally
Eruptions.
This dude literally sank into it. Dun dun dun. That's his like thing. That's where he was laying.
Oh, the volcanic ash got to him.
And this little guy, he was almost falling down too. And this dude, her leg is covered and her back is covered too.
And volcanic ash.
Oh! He finally fell over.
Oh, the pterodactyl's down.
The triceratops are
They're still standing. Woohoo!
the family.
They lived.
This little baby Spinosaurus did not survive though.
Oh.
Volcanoes are so awesome. I just love them. You guys, I'm gonna touch the volcanic ash. Don't burn me. Dun dun dun. It's cold. It's cold.
Yeah, in real life, that would be extremely hot.
Yeah, it would burn your fingers off like crazy.
Yeah. So don't touch volcanic ash.
Yeah,
Or lava.
unless it is fake lava and fake volcanic ash.
You run for your lives if there's going to be a volcanic eruption.
Yeah. Just like the news told you. Dun dun dun. Well guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you can, you should do a volcano. It is so cool. The thing about the water pot is that it was waterproof, but if you want to do paper and glue, that's totally fine. But before you do your experiment, make sure to ask your parents first. And we're outside, as you can see, because it makes quite a mess. Like, look at these guys! Her tail's covered, her foot's covered, he fell down, and his face is in the sand. And yeah, so make sure to ask an adult.
Hey Alice, I'm just a little curious though. Let's see. I want to see what it looks like under here. Let's see what the bottle looks like, shall we? And if you guys rinse this out again, you can always do it again. See if we can get it out. Ah!
Whoa, that's cool!
Look at that!
There's white, and then orange, and then red.
Yeah, and all the vinegar went to the top. Even after pouring in the baking soda, it sunk to the bottom. So very interesting. We might have had a little bit room to do some more, but we did quite a bit. Awesome. So yeah, you just rinse this out again and you can do it again. If you want.
Yeah.
So cool.
I think we might have to do this again every year maybe, because it's so fun.
Yeah.
And guys, we're trying to get 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!